Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to set up your Excel file for an upload. First of all, you need to go to your user defaults section and set up your settings, such as the type of book if it's a paperback or a hardcover. Your primary language. Adult content. Paper type, depending on your interior. Barcode, set it at no bleed option depending on your interior if it's bleed or no bleed. Cover finish, depending on the type of cover you want to set, matte or glossy. Your primary marketplace. Publish or save as draft. Expanded distribution, set it at enable. And low content option. We have talked about this option in details in the previous video. You will find the link in description. In short, if your books are low content, set this option as yes, if not, set it as no. And if you have a mix of low content and high content books, set it as from XLSX. Set your paper width and height and the pricing method. If you want to set all the marketplace's prices the way you want, set the pricing method as manual and write the prices you want. And if you want Amazon to set the other market prices, just set the option as automatic. And now go to your settings and set how many tabs you want the Power KDP app to open when it starts uploading the books. It's recommended as 7 tabs, however you can set as many as you like. And then go to set limit to 50 tasks per hour and enable it. What this option does is that it only allows the Power KDP app to upload 50 books per hour. Our app is made to look as humanly as possible because Amazon have set the rules to only 1,000 books per week. After you finish setting up all your settings, go to the home page and click on New XLSX file and click on Save. I name it 01 so that the file go to the top of the folder. Open it and start editing your information. A lot of you have been asking how to get the interior and the covers file path. All you have to do is go to your interior, click on Shift in your keyboard and right-click on the interior file. You will see an option that says Copy as Path. Click on it and go to your Excel file. Under the interior file path, click on Ctrl+V or Command+V. Same goes to your covers. Just select all your covers and go to the first cover in the list. Click on Shift and right-click on the first cover, then click on Copy as Path. Go back to your Excel file and under the cover file path click on Ctrl+V or Command+V and you will see all the covers have been pasted in their order in the Excel file. Now write down the title to your book. As you can see, my title says, "This notebook belongs to plus a name." This name will change, and in this case we will use the variables section in the Excel file. So a lot of you have asking, what is the purpose of the variables in the Excel file? We have an example in this case. Imagine we have 100 book or more, and they all have the same title. The only thing that will change is the names, so we have to write 100 name, which will be time consuming. To solve this problem, all you have to do is use the variables. Go to the variables section and paste your names list. Now go to the title and write the fixed part, for example, "This notebook belongs to." And now go to the case editing section and write before the title the next commands, write equals, and then a quotations mark. And then go to the variable part, which in this case are the names, and write a quotations mark followed by an symbol, and go to the variable sections and click on the first name. Then write in symbol followed by a quotations mark. You can add other details to the title, just make sure when you finish the title write in the end a quotations mark. This will indicate the end of the command. As you can see, the command took the name automatically. Click on the plus symbol and drag down. You can see all the names have been changed accordingly. Just make sure that the names list is in the same order as the cover's names, so that there will be no confusion between the cover and the title. Fill in the rest of the information such as author name, description, keywords and price. For the category, you can go to our website. You will find under the Tools section, Category Search. Just write what category your book is in. You can see the priority for that category if it's high, medium, or low. Copy the category and paste it to the Excel file. As for the low content case, if you choose in the user defaults, yes or no, just leave this case empty. And if you chose from XLSX, you have to fill in this case with yes or no. In this example, we're gonna leave it empty. As for the state and link, leave them empty. When the book is finished uploading, the app will write done under the state section and it will give you its link. When you finish setting up your Excel file, you have to close it before the uploads or you will have problems during the upload. Just drag the Excel file and drop it in the uploading area. As you can see, the app detected 0 errors. If we missed a case in the Excel file, the app will detect an error and will not launch the process, as you can see. When you are sure everything is set up, just click on Continue and the Power KDP app will start uploading your books for you. This is all to this video. We hope this could help you in setting your Excel file. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. Thank you for your time and we see you next time.